This is a Bougainvillea. It is not evergreen, so it will die back during the winter. But it's a very what we call a woody vine, meaning that these branches are really hard, so you don't lose a lot of the actual branching structure. It stays the same size. It just looks like a tangled mess of dead branches during the summer, during the winter months. During the summer, though, this is why everybody loves it. The beautiful, bright, bold colors. It comes in a hot pink and a purple that you can get. It does have thorns on it, so I'm very careful not planting it next to walkways and entrances and things like that. But it's beautiful in the background. It needs a lot of fertilizing to bloom excessively, but you can get these guys to bloom all summer long. Just beautiful colors. Butterflies and birds love them. It's very drought resistant, so you do not need to overwater this guy. In fact, if you overwater him, he's going to bloom less than he should.